Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. So the last video, I told you guys that we were actually gonna be doing some kitchen renovation stuff, like DIYs in the kitchen. And I'm sad to report, we had to order some different things, and so it's taken a little longer to get that stuff in. So we're gonna do a different DIY today, but I promise that kitchen reno is coming up soon, and it's not a huge renovation, but it's still gonna totally change the kitchen. So, won't you come farming with us? Ta-da! Here is our DIY for the day. As you can tell with this cupboard over here, I chalk painted it. We're gonna do the same thing to this filing cabinet and then do something really cool to the handles. This filing cabinet is going to be in our office, which we are in now. And as you can kind of tell by looking around, it's kind of cluttered. One of my goals, hopefully in the next couple months, is just to organize this room. So we're gonna start by trying to DIY a few of the furniture aspects in this room so that they kind of match, and then we will add organization along the way. So get ready. First, we are going to start by emptying the drawers. So I ended up not emptying the very bottom drawer because we have a ton of files in there. So I'll probably do everything except that bottom drawer. I can still do the handle and then wait till the end to do that, just because I'm not supposed to be lifting too much. And I wonder if you can see my belly in that. Getting pretty big, but anyways. So now I'm going to start with the handles and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them. The next thing I'm doing here is taking these handles off. These are plastic. They're just a little different kind of plastic. So I'm going to try to just, sometimes they're just stuck in here. I guess we'll have to see though. So that one actually came out a lot easier than I thought it would. I'll show you how I do this. So I squeeze it so that, oops, that one fell right out. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. Okay, so I squeeze it so the bottom pops out. Oh, that one fell out too. Okay, well anyway, so I squeeze it so the bottom gets loose. Sorry, the bottom gets loose. And then I came to the outside and actually just kind of pulled this lip down and then it came out. But these are actually working pretty well. So, and this is my bottom drawer. So that worked good. So now all of those are out. And as you can tell here, there's kind of a dent, but that doesn't really bug me. So there's 3. Here's the 4th one. And I'll show you what we're gonna do with those. Something else I'm doing is trying to remove these stickers. I did not put these on there. They were on there. So let's see what else. Just got this other one. And just so you know, stickers like this, with that other cabinet I chalk painted, we had like stickers on that from when Joseph was growing up. You know, I think he used it as a closet or something, like some extra storage in his room. Well, you can always use like Goo Gone products, or there's so many products out there like that remove sticky stuff. So like if where I took this off, if it was sticky, which it's a little sticky, but I think hot water and soap would take this one off. If it was super sticky, or if the sticker wasn't coming off, you could use some kind of product like Goo Gone to actually help get the adhesive off. And that is important when painting, because if you were to try to paint over something that was really sticky, or even over a sticker, first off, it would be super noticeable. And second off, it would just, the surface wouldn't be even, and you don't want that. You want a good finished product. So what I'm gonna do first is put my mask on. The bottom strap is broke, but it should still work pretty good. But I'll tell you first what I'm gonna do before I do that. So I set some newspaper out on top of the filing cabinet. I have my handles here, and I'm gonna have to do a few coats. I think last time I used this spray paint, which is right here. Paint and primer, Ultra Cover Rust-Oleum, which is an awesome brand, and it's metallic. I wanted it to be something like this, like a really shiny gold. A lot of times when you look at the cap, you know, it might not be the same kind of like color or brightness when you actually apply the paint, but this one actually is. So really cool. You can apply it to bond metal, or bond. You can apply it to plastic, wood, metal, and more, and it's fast drying, indoor use only. So perfect for what we need. I think last time I painted some handles with it, I probably like did the first coat, because obviously we're gonna have to turn these over a few times to just get the whole thing coated. But and we wouldn't have to do the inside of the handle, but I'm just going to, so that everything is covered. So I think the first time I painted like one coat, came back a few hours later, painted the same side, the second coat, and then the next day I did the same thing to the other side. So we will probably try that here. But anyways, so let's get started. These glasses are wonderful. That's a good look for me. Oh, anyways, doesn't matter. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of the cabinet project, the DIY filing cabinet. Sorry, the dogs are being obnoxious like always. The next step I am going to do is I'm going to do the second coat of the handles, but I'm going to do it outside because it's made the house stink like crazy. I've done it inside before, so I didn't think it would really do that, but it did. So I'm going to do that outside, and I'll show you that a little later, but I'm going to start painting the filing cabinet right now. I'm actually like really tired today, so I was hoping to get it done today. We'll see the progress I make. Hopefully at least I can just get one coat of the chalk paint on, and I'll show you here in a minute what kind of chalk paint I'm using as well. So if you can see this, I use Kills chalk paint. This just says Kills chalk style paint, decorative paint for upcycling furniture, which is exactly what I'm doing. Ready to use in the color, which, I mean, obviously it's black, but it's toasted poppy seed. I used this on that other cabinet I was talking to you about in the beginning of this video, and it works great. I did notice that I have to do at least 2 coats, which isn't a big deal, because I mean, you know, if you want to draw with chalk on it or make anything look solid, especially if you're painting it black, you want more coats, it's just better that way. So we'll get started. So as you can see, that was one coat. I really made sure to try and just do the brush strokes like evenly. Of course, I painted it all, but then I went over it the last time just to make them all going the same way. Not a big deal on the first coat, but as you go, you know, you want it to look even. And then I even made sure to get into the creases of the handle. I did not do this part up here, so I'll do that quick. And I mean, the edges won't really show, so that's up to your preference. But like as you can see here, I haven't done the edge, but I'll do that quick. And then I'm just gonna start with the drawers. Like I said before, probably do the last drawer like very last, but or the bottom drawer very last. But then I'm gonna work on the sides and the top just to get everything covered. I am not sure if I'll do the back. I think I will, but we'll see. So here is my progress so far. I have the top 3 drawers done. As you can tell, they're pretty rough. Have the top done and just the top lip here. It's gonna look like this, especially when you are painting something that's like metal or even plastic. Like, because wood will soak in paint really well. This stuff doesn't really, so it just takes a little longer to dry. It takes a few more coats, but it still turns out great. So, just show you guys that. So for today, I'm gonna be done, but I did get the side done. Those 3 drawers you had already seen. We got this side done, and then I did do the back. So go around here. Got the back. I left about an inch or 2 at the bottom on all sides that I did not paint, just because I don't have paper under this, which I should when I'm painting. But so looks pretty rough right now, but after another coat or 2, it'll look awesome. And then we will go outside and spray those handles again.